Hey buddy,
Hey,
what are we going to do today?
I'm gonna learn how to step up to a 65.
Nice job. Let's go have a look. Couple of differences here with Bryson's 50 and his new 65. So he's just stepping up from the 50 Pro. He's gone from a 50 Mini, which is quite a bit smaller and a lot less powerful, up to the 50 Pro, which is quite good for him at the moment. But we threw him on the 85 the other day on the wife's bike, and he actually went all right with clutch control and all that. So we've gone out, we've got him a 65. He's stepping up. That is, I don't know if you can tell, significantly bigger than the 50. And I believe it'll be a lot heavier too. So this will challenge him a little bit, but this video is going to be just to give you a few pointers and exercises to do when you're stepping up from centrifugal clutch bike to a clutch and gears bike. Let's see how he goes. What you want to do is jump on it and warm it up a bit. It's going to be a lot not as easy to stall once it's warmed up. So get on, have a practice starting the big girl, and we'll just let her run for a bit. Okay, nice grassy spot. Just for a start, I reckon just throw your leg over it and just sit on it. Make sure you don't drop it. That's it, you can only touch with one foot, can't you? That's all right, it's a bit big. Just practice jumping from that side to the other side. All right, you comfortable?
Yep.
All right, now, just in case you fall the other way, just quickly shuffle over and put your right foot down and your left foot back on the peg. That's it. Yeah, gotta make sure you put that foot in the right spot the first time. So just practice that and go back the other way. Yep, good job. It's not even really that big for you, is it? It's pretty good.
Really? That much taller than me?
Yeah, it's quite a lot heavier than your 50 though, so just practice that. Just swap sides a few times, make sure you got a good balance and make sure you're comfortable on it. And don't have to do it fast, just make sure you're planting your foot and chucking your other one on the peg properly. Make sure you're comfortable, you're not letting go with your hands or anything. You've got to be holding on. This is going to happen while you're riding too, so if you ever stop, you're going to have to put a foot down, right? So you have to be comfortable. All right, we'll do this for a bit. We'll just have a look at how it's going. Yep, that's what you don't want to do. Make sure you put it in the right spot. Which side are you more comfortable on?
This side.
Which side?
This one.
That one. Okay, well remember that side has your gears. So you're gonna have to learn to get a bit comfortable on the other side, okay? We'll practice. This one's a little clutch exercise that gets you familiar with the friction point on the clutch. So this is the one that's super important to have your bike warmed up so the clutch is less bitey and the engine's less likely to stall. Fire it up, mate. We'll do that exercise a couple of times. That's it. Tap, tap, tap all the way to the bottom. Find first and then half a click up for neutral. All right, click down. Keep it alive and just work on that friction point. Start off. Go, go, go. And clutch in, brakes on. All right, fire it up again. It's normal to stall it a couple of times. It's not really designed to go slow, so that's where your clutch control is important. Clutch out. When you start to move, clutch in, brakes on. Hey, and go again. Clutch out, clutch out. Oops, that's okay.
Keeps on stalling, but that's normal.
That is normal, it's okay. It's an exercise, so it's sort of teaching you what to do when it does get low revs. Just make sure you rip that clutch straight back in. So basically, I guess we won't show you 500 times, but that's what you'll do over and over again until you're comfortable with that point and where to plant your feet. That's hence the first exercise. We're just going to keep doing this for a bit. And clutch out, clutch out. Oh, wait. Did you forget something? I forgot to. It's all good. Clutch in. There you go. That's a real safe way to know where the brakes are, know where the clutch is, and know how to stop when you get out of control as well. So knowing this and then gaining that instinct to pull the clutch straight back in as soon as you start to move or as soon as something starts to happen, very valuable when you step up to a clutch bike. So a bit more practice and then I guess we'll send it up and down the track. So the last thing we're doing today is a simple up and back track where we're going to focus on clicking down to slow down and clicking up to speed up. And that's it. Once you got that clutch control, you can plant your foot to hold the bike up. Once you know when to click up, when to click down, you're good to go.